How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be going over a problem called move zeros. Move zeros is a LeetCode problem that's commonly asked by Facebook, Bloomberg, Google, and a couple other companies like Microsoft. So the problem description says, given an array nums, write a function to move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of non-zero elements. So as an example, if we're given 0, 1, 0, 3, 12, again, we want to move the zeros to the end. So we're going to return 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. And here, if you notice, we're actually maintaining the relative order, just like they asked. So it says we have to do this in place. We can't make a new copy of the array, and we want to minimize the total number of operations. So what I propose we do is we basically just walk through the array one by one, and we keep a variable called index to just keep track of where we're going to place a variable if it's not a 0. Now, once we've actually gone through the entire array once, placing all the elements in the correct order, all we need to do is basically fill the rest of the array with the zeros that we've encountered. So let's get right into the solution. We'll make an integer called index, set it to 0, because initially we're going to start placing things at the 0th index. Now we want to walk through the array, so for int I equals 0, while I is less than nums.length, I plus plus, and now we're just going to check if nums I, so if the number we're at is not equal to 0, we just want to place this number at the index that we're at. So we'll say nums of index, and we'll say plus plus, so it increments after. We'll set it equal to whatever number we're at. So again, this just translates to if the number is not a 0, we're going to try and place it at whatever index that we're keeping track of. So now once this loop is terminated, all we need to do is fill the rest of the array with zeros. So we'll continue our loop. So for int I equals index now, while I is less than nums.length, I plus plus, and we'll just set nums of I equal to 0. And so now once we submit this, hopefully this works. It does, awesome. Let's check out the details. And the details tell us we passed 21 out of 21 test cases, and we are in the 100th percentile, so that's awesome. So this is how you move the zeros to the end of an array in Java. Common interview question asked by Facebook, Google, and other big tech companies. I hope you guys have a lot of interviews coming up. I hope you guys crush them. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe. I hope this helped you guys out a lot, and I'll see you guys next time.